Class. Today we proceed with the same chapter, sexual reproduction in plants. Microsporogenesis. In the earlier class we have studied that microspore is also known as pollen grain. So today we'll do the development, or we'll study the development of microspore. Micro means small, spore, the small spores. The small spores are always male spores. Genesis, to generate or to produce, So we will study the development. Anther is the fertile part. In anther, sporogenous tissue we have studied in the TS. In the sporogenous tissues, all the cells are capable to form pollen grains. So they are known as PMC, that is pollen mother cells. They are known as pollen mother cells. These pollen mother cells, they divide and form microspore tetrad. They are two in their ploidy level, and with the help of meiosis, when they will divide, they will form N ploidy level. Microspore tetrad means 4 microspores are formed. That means 4 pollen grains are formed. Microspore and pollen grains is the same term. Now, each member of the tetrad will form a microspore or pollen grain. Is that clear? So, a quick review. Anther contains sporogenous tissue. Then sporogenous tissue, each cell is known as pollen mother cell. It will undergo meiosis and form microspore tetrad, and each cell of this tetrad will form a microspore. That means 4 pollen grains or microspores are formed at the end from one pollen mother cells. From one pollen mother cell, 4 microspores or pollen grains are being formed. Then pollen grain, a review of the structure. Pollen grain has the outermost layer called exine, which is made up of sporopollenin. Sporopollenin is the hardest organic substance known on earth. No enzyme, no chemical can degrade sporopollenin. Then intine. Intine is the inner layer. Inner layer which is made up of cellulose and pectin. This blue color is exine. Then this red color is intine. Then there is also plasma membrane present. So this green colored we have which I have marked is plasma membrane. You can see some pores here, children. See, these are known as germ pores. Germ pores are present in exine itself and the place where sporopollenin is absent. So what they are meant for? They are meant for emerging of the pollen tube. From these germ pores only the pollen tube arises. I guess it is clear. Now development. Development of pollen grain. So how the development occurs? See, this is pollen grain. This pollen grain undergoes karyokinesis. One nucleus is there, Karyon means nucleus, kinesis means to divide. That means nucleus will divide into 2. So there is a asymmetric spindle formation. Spindle formation takes place during the cell division. Asymmetric, that means one portion is bigger and other one is smaller. How come? See, 2 nucleus are formed. After, one nucleus is known as the vegetative nucleus and this one is known as the generative nucleus. Vegetative nucleus, generative nucleus. Now, it will undergo cytokinesis. That means the division of cytoplasm. In the cytokinesis, what will happen? The unequal division of cytoplasm will take place. The bigger one will be known as vegetative cell and the smaller one will be known as generative cell. Vegetative cell has only this function that it is providing nutrition to the developing pollen male gametes. And generative cell has the main duty. What? Generative cell will give rise to 2 male gametes. I repeat my sentence again. Generative cell will give rise to 2 male gametes by mitotic division. By mitotic division. Okay. And vegetative cell will provide only nutrition and just vanishes off. Fine. Now pollen allergy. Pollen allergy is a very small term sorry, a very small topic. So bronchitis, asthma, these allergies are being caused by the pollen. When pollen grains, they are in the air, in the soil, everywhere they can move. Okay, they are light in weight. So in the air, when they enter our respiratory tract, in the respiratory tract they create many kind of allergies, which are bronchitis, asthma, in which the inflammation of the bronchioles, bronchi takes place in bronchitis. And asthma, what is actually asthma? In asthma, the lumen of bronchi will reduce. Lumen means this space, this lumen. ट्यूब का lumen होता है, the internal space. So it decreases off. So these kind of allergies occurs due to the pollen. Pollen basically Parthenium or carrot grass. It is a weed which comes with the wheat plant. It does not belong to India. From outer sources it has entered, but now Parthenium has spread everywhere, and it is very much responsible for these pollen allergies. Then bee pollen. Bee pollen are the products which we take out from the bee pollen are the products which we take out from the pollen grains which are collected by the bee. Tablets, syrups are being made from these pollen grains. These tablets and syrups are a kind of energy source for athletes, and they provide energy to human beings. Fine. Pollen viability. Viability means the life. Till what time the pollen grain remains alive is known as pollen viability. Some remain alive for 30 minutes, while other can remain for months, and many other examples have also been discovered. One more thing I want to tell here, they can be preserved as fossils. Why they can be preserved as fossils, pollen grains? Due to the presence of sporopollen, which is the toughest layer known. Fine. So we can preserve the pollen also in liquid nitrogen at the temperature minus 196 degrees centigrade in the pollen glands, and whenever we want to use it, we can use. Thank you.